The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, CD player, trip computer. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.